In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free membership on Patreon if you want people to stay connected to your content without asking them to pay right away. Patreon's free membership option is a great place to start. The good news is that this feature is usually enabled by default, so in many cases there's actually very little setup required. When free member access is turned on automatically, your audience can follow your page, view any public posts or posts you've made available to free members, and receive email updates from you. That makes it a useful way to grow your community, especially if you want to give new visitors a low-pressure way to join your world before they decide whether to support you through a paid tier. So if you're creating on Patreon and wondering how to offer a free membership, the first thing to know is that it may already be active on your page. Next, if you'd rather focus more attention on your paid memberships, you can adjust how the free option is presented to new visitors. To do that, head into your page settings. This is where Patreon lets you control the visibility and emphasis of your membership options. You're not removing the free membership itself here unless Patreon specifically gives you that option in your setup. Instead, you're managing how prominently it appears so you can shape the first impression people get when they land on your page. This is especially helpful if you want your paid tiers to stand out more clearly while still keeping a free entry point available in the background. After that, if you want to see who has joined as a free member, go to your Creator Studio. From there, click on Audience to open the Relationship Manager. This area gives you a clearer picture of the people connected to your page. Once you're inside, use the quick filter for free members. That will show you your list of free subscribers, making it easier to understand how many people are following you through the free option and helping you keep track of that part of your audience. This can be especially useful if you plan to post content specifically for free members, or if you want to monitor how free followers eventually convert into paid supporters over time. Even though free members aren't paying, they're still an important part of your community and can help increase reach and engagement. So overall, creating a free membership on Patreon is mostly about understanding that the feature is already built in, adjusting its visibility if needed, and knowing where to view the people who have joined through it. That's it for this video, and now you know how to create free membership on Patreon.